Sometimes it's helpful to make a Scrum Master change. And I don't love change any more than anyone else does. It's a distraction. It can make things harder for a while. It can make things harder for me. It can make things harder for the team. But it can be worth it. Another perspective, a little shake-up, change of tone. Every Scrum Master has their own thing going on to a certain extent, right? And you never know what the special sauce or magical mix is going to be that's going to be a catalyst for change with a team. One thing that I think is very important when you're the outgoing Scrum Master, and this is tough to do sometimes because you like the fact that the team misses you and that kind of thing, but you want to discourage that and really turn it over to the other Scrum Master and show the team that you have faith and confidence in the new Scrum Master and that you have a positive attitude about the change for them, what it's going to mean for them. That vote of confidence for the new Scrum Master, and it should be verbalized while the new Scrum Master is there, like during turnover when they're joining you for some of your meetings, and also privately. Make sure you're saying good things about and having confidence in the new Scrum Master. And if the team comes to you about something that's changed, that they don't think it's the greatest thing, you should always direct them back to the Scrum Master. Chat with the Scrum Master offline and let them know what kind of questions you're getting. Again, assure them that it's their team. You're not trying to interfere or anything like that, but you just wanted to relay that. And then they have some information to think about. Hopefully any switches that involve you and Scrum Masters are going to be good changes. It's going to be a new opportunity for you, new opportunity for the team. I wish you well and happy Agile. See you next time. Hopefully you like this walk and talk conversational format. I know Violet does. She gets to get out of the house and I get some exercise. We're having some really unseasonably cool weather here at the beginning of August 2025.